Never be scared of the credit bureaus again once you learn these 3 secrets. Hey, these 3 secrets help this person increase their credit score, this person remove their collections off their credit report, this person increase their credit score, this person remove their student loan, this person remove their accounts. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy. So I want to show you these 3 secrets, but I want to talk about this special person, all right? This person used these 3 secrets not only to remove accounts off their credit report, right? It took them time because they was following the process. They was doing the things required to get their accounts removed. But they had some few stubborn accounts, and I showed them like the secret on how they can also possibly knock the credit bureau, knock the credit bureaus out. Now, they still have one account still reporting, but it's still working. But that's not the greatest. That is a good thing, but another good thing what happened was this person not only helped themselves, they helped their mom, and their mom was excited. Not only did they help their mom, they helped their cousins, they helped their friends. And guess what? I talked to them about, hey, start posting your results and start getting clients, because now you're starting to understand the process, you start to understand what you need to do. So now they're getting another additional stream of income, which is amazing. So I want to show you these 3 secrets that can help you improve your credit score. So not only you understand the process, maybe you might want to do it for other people, but you can also get the things that you want. All right, now pay attention to these 3 secrets, because if you miss one, it's gonna cost you. All right, so I had to jump on the computer to show you what I was talking about. Right, so credit hacking, how we deleted a lot of collections, not just collections, charge off, repossession, eviction, multiple things. Right, by just using this one thing. I want to show you what I was talking about. Right, because as you know, me and Mike, like I said, we've been doing this thing for a while. We've been sending letter after letter after letter after letter. But not only we've been sending a lot of letters, we've been also having other people doing certain things, sending out letters. And what we noticed is, based off of this one attack, people start getting better results. And I want to show you this one attack, all right? Because as we're waiting on the lawyers, as we're waiting to hit you with, give you the best, show you the best results, we've been trying multiple things because I know you guys want results. So I want to show you another way on how you can actually attack the credit bureaus. All right. So we've been trying, like I said, multiple things. Now we've been using Dispute Panda as well, trying different things. All right. Because like I said, we want to give you the best results. So here's a letter. It's a little bit different because it's Dispute Panda now has a function, a tool where it can look like it's handwritten. All right. So this is amazing. So, to whom it concerns, as you can see, I'm requesting you review your data on file for me and make sure it is accurate according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act and Metro 2 compliance standards. All right. I'm challenging any inaccuracies in my credit report and requesting that they be corrected immediately. I also require that any inquiries within my credit report have permissible purpose and be accurately sourced. All right. Below is a summary of the data in which I'm challenging. And the reason why this is amazing is because we're doing something a little bit different. As you know, on previous letters, I had you list all the accounts, all right, on your credit report. But what we're doing is challenging the specific account that's actually holding your credit score back, all right? So this what makes it a little bit different, all right? We're actually challenging the specific accounts, all right? So this is the reason why we can get multiple removals, because what we're doing is, like, instead of having like just one letter with all the accounts, we have like 10 letters challenging specific accounts. And what you're going to be able to see is, hold on, let me show you really quick. See, this is also a part of the letter as well. All right. So also, see the image above, blank, quote unquote, upon right here, I'm reading right here. Upon inspecting the loan type, exhibiting automobile, I'm disappointed to find that the data you reported does not meet our standard. It is inaccurate because it deviates from what is required by Metro 2 rules, and there can never be any deviations from these requirements. So please correct the account right away before my finances are impacted by incomplete or unverified information. All right. And as you can see, it goes more in detail. Like I said, we hit in the details of that specific account, but we're only challenging one account that's on your credit report. So you're gonna have multiple letters. I'm gonna show you. That's gonna lead into secret number 2. I'm gonna basically walk you through the process on how to actually get this letter so you can knock the credit bills. All right. So let me show you secret number 2. I'm walking through the process of Dispute Panda so you can get this letter. Man, this is gonna be amazing. I want to see you guys start getting some results. All right, so let me walk you through the process. Let me show you really quick. All right, so let me walk you through the process of how to use Dispute Panda if you're unfamiliar on how to use Dispute Panda, all right, and how to actually go to this attack and get that handwritten letter, all right, that AI handwritten letter. Man, this is gonna be amazing. So here's what you want to do. If you don't have it, the link is gonna be in the description to sign up for Dispute Panda. Now, if you already have it, you know what to do. All you got to do is click on Dispute In, all right? Click on Dispute In. Then once you click on Dispute In, let me show you. Click on Dispute In, click on Save Filter if you already have your attacks. And what you want to do now is click your attacks. But if you don't have a profile, if you don't have it, once you log in, you'll click on Profile, set your profile up. Upload your documents, upload 2 forms of identification, or you can upload 3, all right? So you want to upload your driver's license, you want to upload proof of residency, all right? Like a bill, something that's in your name, or you can also upload your social. That's up to you as well, all right? So, because you already know the credit bureaus start to say, you sound like a credit repair company, all right? So, once you do that, you upload everything, and now it's going to give you, and you attach your credit report to the software. Now you're going to be able to, now if you don't know how to do that, you can go to training right here to the left. Click on training, watch the videos on how to use Identity IQ plus the software to upload to get your credit report to showing. And then what you want to do is already highlight the actual accounts that are negative. All right. Now, what you want to do now is click on attacks. All right. Now, once you click on attack, you want to click on Start New Round. Now, this is going to cost money. It costs about $17 per dispute, and if you want to send out your letters from here, it's going to cost a little bit of money. Now, this attack is going to cost a little bit more money if you send out the actual dispute from the software, because remember what I said. Remember what I said. You're not only just you're attacking just one account per credit bureau. What I mean by that is, if you have like 10 collections, we're only attacking one collection, and then we send another letter out for the other 9 collection, all right? So it's going to cost a little bit more money, but it's going to be worth it, all right? Now, this is the reason why we don't use this attack all the time. We do the process that I talk about, and then we hit them with a different attack, because like I said, you want to come at the credit bureaus at different angles until you use a lawyer to actually knock them out, all right? So use the paralyzing touch point. You want to go to the paralyzing touch point. Now, when you click on paralyze, I hope you can see this. Let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. Once you go to paralyzing touch point, click on, as you can see right here at the top, use handwritten, like right here, this square. Use this, and then what you want to do is click on paralyzing touch point, Supreme Boosted. Now, the reason why you want to use Supreme Boosted is because it got the AI that has Metro 2, plus, of course, the laws, right? And based off of AI, it does data reading, and it gives you the best possible results based off of what other people has been doing, the machine. I can't explain it all, but AI is AI, so it's going to help you. Now, click on Supreme Boosted. And once you click on Supreme Boosted, you're going to click on Start New Round. And what you want to click on Start New Round, you want to click on, you want to type Confirm. Now, it's going to cost you $17 to get these letters, all right? You're going to get letters for Experian. You're going to get letters for TransUnion. You're going to get letters for Equifax, all right? And you want to go ahead and print them off and send them either through the software, all right? Or print them off, do what you need to do. Go to the post office and make sure you certify. Because you want to make sure that the credit bureaus actually receive this letter. Now, if you don't have the money to certify, it's okay. Send them off. Make sure the credit bureaus receive them. Add two stamps, 3 stamps, because it's going to be thick, all right? Because we want the credit bureaus to actually it's going to be a different investigation, because we have Metro 2, plus we have the laws, plus we're telling them to do certain things. And it looks totally different. So now it's crazy, all right? So click on Confirm, do that process, all right? Now, let's get into secret number 3. Now, secret number 3 is going to be a little bit different, all right? The reason why secret number 3 is going to be a little bit different is because sometimes, like I said, this attack doesn't work. Now, if your accounts come back verified, now what you want to do is file a complaint with the CFPB. Now, you should already know how to file a complaint with the CFPB, all right? Now, if you don't know how to file a complaint, I have a video that's going to be in the description on how to file a complaint with the CFPB, all right? Because what you want to use now is you want to have documents, you want to have multiple documents that you already did, multiple processes that you already did to get these things removed from your credit report. Now, this 3 secrets on how you can knock the credit bureaus out so you can get the best results. Hold up, make sure you grab my free secret letter 2.5 because you want to do the things that are required first before you use these 3 secrets to knock the credit bureaus out. All right, so go grab that free secret letter.